Your check engine light is on, and your scanner pulled up a P0017 code. This means the crankshaft sensor and exhaust camshaft sensor on bank 1 are reporting timing values that do not match. It is a correlation issue between two key sensors, and most fixes are affordable. Here are 7 common causes and exactly how to fix each one. Low or degraded engine oil. The variable valve timing system uses engine oil pressure to control the exhaust camshaft position. Its job is to advance and retard cam timing by directing oil to the phaser actuator. When oil level drops or the oil degrades, the VVT system cannot maintain the camshaft in its commanded position. The exhaust cam drifts. The correlation with the crankshaft fails, and P0017 is logged. This is the easiest and cheapest cause to rule out first. How to fix it? Pull the dipstick and check both the level and color. Low or black oil cannot drive the VVT system correctly. Change the oil and filter using the exact viscosity specified in your owner's manual. Clear the code after service and drive for 2 complete warm-up cycles. Fresh oil at the right level resolves a significant portion of P0017 cases. Stretched timing chain. It connects the crankshaft to the camshafts and maintains their synchronized rotational relationship. Its job is to turn each camshaft at exactly half crankshaft speed with perfect phase alignment. When the chain stretches from high mileage, slack develops between the sprockets. The exhaust camshaft lags behind the crankshaft's reference position, and the correlation fails. P17 is stored alongside an audible chain rattle on cold startup. How to fix it? Listen at the front cover during a cold start. A metallic chain rattle that fades as oil pressure builds confirms chain stretch. A complete timing chain kit with chain, tensioner, and guides costs between $30 and $100. Replacement is a significant repair requiring front cover removal and specific timing tools to lock the camshafts during installation. Clogged VVT oil control valve. It directed pressurized oil to the camshaft phaser on command from the PCM. Its job is to meter oil flow, so cam timing responds precisely to commands. When the valve gets clogged with varnish from dirty oil, it cannot deliver the correct pressure to the phaser. The exhaust camshaft drifts from its commanded position, and the correlation error triggers P0017. How to fix it? Unscrew the VVT oil control valve from the cylinder head and inspect the filter screen on the oil inlet side. A clogged screen covered in varnish confirms the valve has been starved of clean oil. Clean the screen or replace the valve. A replacement VVT oil control valve costs between $8 and $35. Failing camshaft position sensor. It reads a toothed ring on the cam and sends timed pulses to the PCM. Its job is to report the exact camshaft position in real time so the PCM can compare it with the crankshaft signal. When the sensor fails or is contaminated with oil, it sends inaccurate pulses. The correlation calculation becomes wrong and P0017 is logged even if the cam is physically positioned correctly. How to fix it? Locate the bank. One exhaust camshaft position sensor on the cylinder head. Disconnect it and inspect the pins for oil contamination or corrosion. Clean the sensor tip and connector with an electrical contact cleaner. Reinstall and clear the code. A replacement camshaft position sensor costs between $6 and $25. Worn camshaft phaser. It is the mechanical actuator that physically rotates the exhaust camshaft in response to oil pressure from the control valve. Its job is to advance or retard the cam on command. When the internal vanes or locking pin wear out, the phaser cannot hold the camshaft in its commanded position. The exhaust cam drifts and the correlation fails. A cold startup rattle that fades with oil pressure is the classic sign. How to fix it? Start a cold engine and listen for a brief metallic rattle during the first few seconds. Rattle that stops. Once oil pressure builds, confirms phaser wear. A replacement exhaust camshaft phaser costs between $30 and $120 depending on the engine. Installation requires removing the valve cover and using specific timing tools to prevent engine damage. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. It is the reference point the PCM uses to evaluate cam-to-crank correlation. Its job is to report the exact rotational position of the crankshaft at every moment. When the crankshaft sensor fails or sends intermittent signals, The PCM receives bad reference data. The cam signal then appears to be out of phase with the crank, triggering P0017 even when the cam itself is fine. How to fix it? Connect a scanner and monitor the crankshaft sensor signal during a test drive. The signal should appear clean and continuous. Any dropouts confirm the crank sensor is the real source of the correlation fault. A replacement crankshaft position sensor costs between $8 and $25 and is generally an easy bolt-on replacement. Failed timing chain tensioner. It keeps constant pressure on the chain to eliminate slack. Its job is to maintain tension across the full RPM range. When the tensioner spring weakens or a guide breaks, chain slack develops immediately. The exhaust camshaft lags behind the crankshaft, and correlation fails. P0017 appears alongside a chain rattle on vehicles past 100,000 miles with neglected oil changes. How to fix it? Before any chain work, perform an oil pressure test with a mechanical gauge at the oil pressure sending unit port. Normal idle pressure should read at least 25 psi. Low pressure starves the tensioner and causes slack. Address oil system issues first. A replacement chain tensioner costs between $15 and $60 but requires front cover removal to access.